It's me, Cotton Pasta. So we're gonna play a game called The Button, and I couldn't find my DDLC video, so somewhere I just post a video about it. Anyways, I already played this game, so that's why still zero survivors. Anyways, that's why I'm level 8. Also, let's go now. Let me just pause this. We're already here, and the lights are super red. Yo, briefcase. Hey, I'm gonna save this up.
Survive as long as you can. It will only
Actually, this is the first time I actually play this in my phone.
let the experiment begin.
So yeah, no surprises.
To start things off, let's begin with a lighter event.
Let me just up the volume. Yes, this is like 8 in the morning in us. But if it's like 8 in the night,
Pressing the button will terminate someone else at random.
oh please not me, or the video will end.
Keep in mind, decisions have consequences.
Oh my gosh, unlucky guy.
This is the participant responsible for their termination. Combat against them has been authorized. This is your opportunity to serve justice.
Oh my gosh, I just wasted. I already shoot. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the full game through. Maybe I'm just silent, or either way, I don't know.
No participants were terminated.
No. Bro, how about the bacon? Bro, double outbreak. Shit. So some of there are sped up. If it's like where I'm just gonna stay here. It's either I'm gonna speed this up or not. Hurry. I guess give up. A speed of the light. Shilla. Reviving, so I got money. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. So you're wondering why I don't use my AK-74M? It's 10. Guys, revive me. Oh my gosh. Revive me, help me. Oh, thank you. I thought I would end the video. Thank you, shout out to you. Ooh. Did he stole my...
From this point onward, combat is off.
Oh. Shit.
Prepare to run for your life. The Juggernaut will soon be chosen. If the Juggernaut fails to terminate enough subjects, they will be eliminated.
Oh my gosh. I was scared. Did you hit me? Oh. We just hit each other in there. Where's the Juggernaut? I forgot you're a hopper, I forgot. I'm not gonna do dark.
The Juggernaut failed to terminate enough subjects. We will pause to take a short break.
I like this part. You just stole it. I hate these people, they don't share. Yes, I got sledge. Gambler.
Stay inside the button zone to survive. When the timer ends, only players in the zone will live.
I will win.
Fight for control.
Wait,
Good luck.
Okay. I want domesticated violence. Oh. Domesticated violence. Oh, okay, stop, stop. This is Jack of Spades.
The following participants were terminated.
Ooh, unlucky. Please don't anyone around. Aren't you the leader though? Please stop the mayhem. Ah, shit.
Each press of the button will result in a random termination. Stop them if you must. Attacks will interrupt their action. Good luck.
I already lack of health. Why me? I didn't do shrimp. Oh yeah. I need this. I need this. I mean, I could just. Oh my! I survived.
The following participants were terminated.
Oh yeah. Oops. Yeah, at least I got items. Ooh. Oh. What was that? Oh, minefield.
Behind these doors lies a minefield.
Behind the scenes,
One wrong step will trigger an explosion.
suffering and pain is worth it. So I'm
Reach
just gonna
the other
speed this
side
up.
to
I
survive.
think this video is under 15
Good luck.
minutes. Yeah.
The following participants were terminated.
Oh, someone terminated? He kinda deserved that.
Congratulations on making it this far. You have proven yourself as the most elite participants. Make your way to
I
the
wish I
final
can drop my
area
face.
so that the finale can begin.
No, I see good items. Anyways, we're here.
From this point onward, the rules have changed. The only thing between you and victory are the other participants you see now. With that, let the experiment continue. An event will now be selected.
Okay.
Project Alpha has arrived. The most elite squad of mercenaries. I suggest you work together. They won't stop until you're all dead.
Thanks. I already used that thing.
No participants were terminated. An event will now be selected. This is a game of tag. If the secret tags you, you will be eliminated. I suggest you spread out. The tagger will now be chosen.
This cannot be real. I swear if it's the hacker, I think, kill myself.
No participants were terminated.
Oh no. You're gonna make me drop this.
An event will now be selected.
You know that it would be unfair.
Welcome
Not
to the
this.
grand finale. Everything has led to this. You will have to fight for your life. The outer sections of the arena will drop as time passes. Only the strongest will survive.
If you made this far within the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And yes, this is my second video. I'm gonna post more in the further future. It's gonna be either Infinity Nikki or still Roblox, but I'm gonna see you again soon, guys. Bye bye.